What is it?
I'm speaking to woman's rights.
We have a couple master locks.
Yes, and
They are keyed differently. I have the key for one of them.
Well, Elaine, it was good of you.
That's this one.
My pleasure.
Fortunately, I still have George here to help me through this. George, growing up as a boy in Costa Rica, I heard a rumor that Mama had taken a lover. Perhaps Bosco is this man's name.
Hey, you want to come down to the fire station with me?
Fire station? Yeah, I made a map of my shortcuts.
I'm going to rock their world. No, I got to go down to Lake Polaris. Oh, so he took you back? Yeah, we straightened it out. All's forgiven.
You know, the important thing is that you learned something.
No, I didn't.
Well, Mr. Kramer, your list of shortcuts is most impressive.
Yeah, and this is just the Upper West Side. Wait until I get to the village. Then you're going to see a magic show.
Mr. Kramer, just about every week, some brash young hothead like yourself saunters in here talking about faster routes and snazzier colors for the trucks. Well, the fact is, we feel things are fine the way they are.
Anyway, thanks for having me back, and sorry about the misunderstanding.
Water under the bridge. Come on, I never did get a chance to show you around the store.